Alright, so the Cybertruck recently got an update. As you can see, software, we're on version 12, 2024.14.3. It said that the turning radius improved by like 1 point whatever feet. So I'm curious, is it going to now be able to do a U-turn in this from this sidewalk to the next? So let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the front camera so we can see. I'm going to turn the wheel all the way to the left, and let's see what we can do. And oop, did we? Wait, nope, we went up the curb slightly, I think. Just barely went on top of the curb. So, I mean, it's better, but not quite. Maybe it probably went on a couple centimeters or so. So if I'm really like close touching the curb there, probably it will work. Should I try again? Let's give it a shot. All right. Go up here. Okay. Let's go into reverse. Alright, let's see. So how am I going to make sure I'm as close to the curb as possible? I'm going to have to maybe go slightly up the driveway on this one. Hopefully I actually... Okay. So I'm on the driveway, off the driveway. We'll continue going straight. I want to avoid scraping the tire along it, but I do want to get kind of as close as possible. Hopefully that line is accurate enough that I'm not going to scrape it. You can see where the line is. You can see where my rear tire is. You can see we have a little more room we can go. Okay, so this time now, I went so far forward that we're going to hit that car, I think. So let's go back a little. You can see how close that rear tire is to hitting the curb. So this is super close. This line suggests I still have room. So you want to take note of that. This line on the Model Y, it can slightly go over where I'm trying to go. But in this case, it's slightly out. So you don't want to actually have the line getting really close to that curb, or you're going to scrape the side wall of your tire. Okay? So you can see we're just about to kind of almost hit that. All right, so let's go ahead and go back into forward. And let's see. So now we're pretty much all the way at it. So we're going to go forward and see. The other thing is, because those tires turn as well, when you turn, it might hit the sidewalk. Okay, so I'm pulling it as far left as I can. And are we going to hit this curb? You can see we're gonna make it. So I can do a U-turn in here if I'm all the way to the side of the curb. That's cool. All right, so there we go. We can do a full U-turn in this area. Pretty neat. All right, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.